In this video, we are going to unbox this guy, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I did to get here. So if you want one of these awards, if you want to grow on YouTube, watch this video because I think it's going to help you. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so like I mentioned, what we're gonna do today is we are simply going to open up this award. It's the YouTube, I believe, silver play button. I'm gonna tell you exactly everything I did to get here, where I came from, where I'm at now, and how you can do the same thing too. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So up until the beginning of 2023, my YouTube channel struggled. It was going okay. I was not overly concerned about growth because I was doing pretty well with affiliate marketing and selling my own digital products. But what I really wanted to do, and one of my goals for 2023 was to get 100,000 subscribers. Now, I didn't think I would wind up here in 8 months, but I did. And so, in fact, I have gained, if you look at my screen here, I've gained 86,800 some odd subscribers in the first 8 months of 2023. So I average about, between 11 and 13,000 subscribers per month. Before then, I was at maybe 15, 20,000 subscribers. And so I've had massive growth. And one of the things that helped me, and I guess I should be unboxing this or else this isn't an unboxing video. One of the things that had really helped me, a few books, which we'll talk about. So I've got my kid scissors here, and we're going to try and open this with my kid scissors, just like that. So one of the things that has helped me is 2 books. One book is called Superfans by Pat Flynn, and another book is it's a YouTube growth book. I don't remember exactly. It's by Daryl Reeves or Eves. I'll link them in the description. They're going to be affiliate links, but those 2 books really, really helped me and my growth for 2023. The Superfans book helped me with getting you guys to comment. That globe thing that I talk about in every one of my videos, that really sparked growth because it got people to comment and it helped build a community. So if you're looking to grow on YouTube, one of the things that I recommend is read that book called Superfans by Pat Flynn. I also recommend that you read the book by Daryl Reeves or Eves. I apologize if I'm getting his name wrong, but those 2 things really help. And so they help build a community. I am not great at opening and unboxing and talking at the same time, so bear with me here. Another thing that really helped was me looking at my market as a whole. Now, normally I talk about make money online, affiliate marketing, things like that. Now, up until this year, I was really frustrated by my lack of progress and my lack of success. I could see channels that were just getting started and they were growing exponentially, and I was not having that same success. However, I was not willing to concede on my morals, values, and ethics in order to grow exponentially. One of the things that I noticed with those channels that were growing really fast, and I don't want to drop this before I even open it up. One of the things that I noticed with the channels that were growing really fast is they were making content that I didn't feel was in the best interest of the viewers. And that's why at the beginning of the video, I say I create content to help you make money online, not just to put money into my own pockets. And so I wanted to keep my morals, values, and ethics and still grow on YouTube. And what I decided to do is I simply decided to piggyback off of what those guys were doing, but put my own spin on it. And one of the things that I think you can do, and hopefully you can see there, there's a little business card down here. There is a little sentence or a little paragraph thing. It's a form letter is probably the best way to describe it. And what I decided to do is I decided to piggyback off of the videos that were doing very well, but didn't really fit my morals, values, and ethics. And so what I did was I started that I Tried It series. Now, one thing that you have to realize when you're creating content online and you're trying to be successful online is that it might not work the first time. In my first I Tried It video, didn't do great, but I kept being consistent and persistent where I was creating one I Tried It video per week, and I started to see really, really positive results. In fact, the video I Tried It earned $7 every 60 seconds by just watching videos. That video has 835,289 views in the year of 2023. The second video, I Tried It, get paid $28.18 every 10 minutes from Google Translate. That has 339,000 views from, again, 2023. When I look at my most viewed videos over this time frame, the top 4 are all I Tried It videos. And so one thing that I recommend if you are trying to grow on YouTube, take a look at what's working in the industry or in your niche. Try and create content without sacrificing your morals, values, and ethics. So I got to keep unboxing here. We've got this little card, which I will probably read later. We've got the form letter, as I mentioned here, that I'll read at the end if you're interested. Ooh, it's on fancy paper. And then this is it, guys. This is what one of the goals that I had for 2023. I was saying by the end of 2023, I wanted to achieve this play button. Now, recognize your team. Okay, we'll look at that later. But I wanted to create content where I could sleep at night. And a lot of the content that's in my industry, quite frankly, if I made that same content, I wouldn't be able to sleep. I wouldn't be able to live with myself because, quite frankly, I knew it wouldn't work. Now, the other thing that I wanted to highlight is people in my industry are usually in a, not desperation, but they're looking for ways to simply make money and, quit their day job or at least help make ends meet. And I know that from personal experience. And you can see here, this is the play button. Cool, that kind of goes down like that. And there's a mirror so you can actually see yourself in the camera. But anyway, I started that I Tried It series because when I first started trying to make money online, I would watch a lot of those videos. I'd watch videos on quick ways to make money. I would have watched a video where you could try and earn $7 every 60 seconds. And then when it didn't work, I would get frustrated. I'd get angry, but then I would try another one of those videos. That's what led me to create those videos because I knew, unfortunately, a lot of those videos won't work. Now, there are a bunch of the videos in this I Tried It series that do work. There's probably about 5 or 6 that do work, but unfortunately, I know many more of them won't work from experience. And so I realized that you would not be successful online until you started creating unique original content. And my YouTube channel is not my first channel. It's probably my 3rd, 4th, or 5th attempt at being successful on YouTube. My first channel is the Security Camera Guy, where I create content about security cameras. Now, I haven't uploaded in a while for that or on that channel, but that's what really got me started. It was attached to my blog, and so I was just basically talking about my blog. I made an audio video version of a blog post. But anyway, getting back to it, this isn't my first channel. This isn't my first rodeo, as they would say, but this is really cool. This is a really cool thing. I didn't expect it to get it this quick, within 8 months. Some people get it much faster. Some people never get it. And you should always celebrate your accomplishments. That's another thing that you should be doing when you're creating content if you're trying to build a YouTube channel. Your first 1,000 subscribers, celebrate that. Your first 3,000 watch hours, celebrate that because some people never get it. Or some people get it after, months, weeks, years of continuous work. But celebrate every accomplishment. Try and continue to learn and improve and adapt. Try and create content where you can piggyback off of things that are already working. And the way that I would do it is I would look at videos that were uploaded in the past 2 weeks in your competitors or people that are within your niche or your space, and look at the videos, piggyback off the title, piggyback off the tags, and even piggyback off the thumbnail if you can. Now, I'm not telling you to copy the exact same thing. If you look, a lot of mine are not copied, but try and piggyback and add your own spin. I can't think of the words, but I'm really excited about this. I quite frankly didn't know if this would ever happen, and for it to happen so quickly is really a testament to everyone that's watched my content. So thank you if you've watched my content, if you've liked, commented, subscribed, disliked, had negative feedback or, constructive criticism. All of that stuff helped. I feel like this plaque is, or award is really cool, and it's a testament to every single person that has subscribed. To date, I don't know what I'm at now. I think I'm at just under 108,000 subscribers. So to my first one, which was probably my mom or some of my relatives, to the person that just subscribed 38 seconds ago, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm not going to drone on forever, but I just wanted to unbox this, say thank you. And this is something that anybody can do. Again, before 2023, my YouTube channel was scuffling and I couldn't figure out why. And the reason why was because I was making the same content as everyone else. I was talking about, how to start affiliate marketing on ClickBank and how to start affiliate marketing and promote your affiliate links here and there. While that stuff is great, I decided to take a new spin on an old topic, and it really boosted my YouTube channel to heights that I didn't think that I would see for a long time. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. This is about, 2 to 3 pounds, not really heavy, but very helpful. Just want to say thank you very much, guys. Like, comment, follow, share, subscribe, do all of that good stuff. And hopefully we'll reach 200,000 subscribers, and we'll go from there. So now that you've seen this unboxing, watch this video next, because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.